my faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Happy 2022. Ha ha ha. Oh, why am I scared, y'all? 2022 and I ain't changing. It's been a whole 3 days since we've been back. For you guys, you saw us yesterday, so it just rolled right off like we didn't take a little break. But it's been 3 days since we've been back. Say hello, husband.
Hi guys.
Sarah, say morning, faves. Good girl. Oh, Tyler, say wagwan. You're joking. There ain't no Tyler today, girl. There ain't no Tyler today, you guys. Tyler is at school. Tyler didn't go to school yesterday. When we got back, let me give you guys a quick little life update, okay? When we got back, it's a good thing we made the decision to get back on Saturday, because Sunday we were so tired. We got to do everything in preparation for the week, only to get an email late Sunday night that Tyler do not have school Monday morning because his teacher had a little situation and they didn't have any backup teacher, so they asked us to keep him home Monday. So Tyler didn't go to school Monday. We went on the road, we went to the post office, pick up packages that we missed while we were away. I wanted to take him to the library, only to reach the library and the library is closed because they are also on holiday. They didn't open until Tuesday, which is today while I'm filming this. But Tyler has gone back to school today. So yeah, that's what's been going on. Babe went back to work. I went back to my usual life. Lie, because let me tell you the struggle of waking up in the morning. Ever since I got back, I cannot wake up 6 o'clock for my workout. I am exhausted. I am so tired. I cannot wake up to work out. But don't even get it twisted. I started off my New Year's week with my workout. And so is babe. We're on a mission and we decide that we're gonna stick to that mission, and I also want to stick to my side of things in order to motivate babe to stick to his end of the deal. So we're riding off each other's energy, which is good. I'm so excited for babe on this journey that he's on. So you guys will slowly see the changes in babe, because babe been doing his workout, you know what I mean?
Just one time.
What do you mean just one time? Oh, today's day 2. Today's day 2. So, but you're not gonna miss today? Exactly. But yeah, you guys will notice the change because we gonna do the do. Okay, let me turn Kim. Anyway, so that's what's been up right now. Baby's on his lunch break, taking us rather, to go and get our booster shots. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that the lines are not long and we'll be able to get our booster shots. I know it's not a good idea for both of us to be getting our booster shot at the same time, but it's when we are available and when the opportunity presents itself and we want to get it out of the way. So we were going to try and get it done this morning. So hopefully we don't have much side effects and 2 of us no KO after we get our booster shot, but I'm sure we'll be fine. So come along with us while we go and get our shot. Anyway, you guys, if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the Fine by Miss 2022. You guys, tell a friend and tell a friend, and let we double them numbers. Yes, Love you guys that's been riding with us since years. Love you guys who has just joined the family. Enjoy the journey, because we have no idea what 2022 hold, but I'm declaring and accepting everything that it comes with. 2021, I am not going to complain. I take every blessing, big and small, and this year I'm accepting everything with open arms. So let's do this, shall we? Anyway, you guys, let's get on with the day. So you guys, we're here and the line is not long at all. So we have a little bit of wait with this one and our candy. Just like that, vaccination is done. You guys, we did not have a long wait. We were in and out in like 20-30 minutes. Vaccine is done for both Babe and I. Got back home and making lunch for Babe and I. Already fed Sarah. Sarah is done for her nap, hence why I'm speaking so low, because a girl needs to nap. So Sarah is done for her nap. I'm going to have lunch myself and see if I can get some work done before Sarah wake up. So lunch today, salad and chicken. What's in my salad, you ask? Okay, I have cashew. You can see a few cashews here. I have lettuce, carrots, lentil, and chicken. Quick and easy lunch. Look who is grubbing. Grub a dub dub. How is it?
It's good.
It's good. Alright, that's good to know. Time to the school pick up with my boy. School pick up with Tyler. My hand starts feeling the vaccine, so I put Sarah in our stroller today. And guess who decided to come to school run with me? Babe! But he's on the other side. He went to the bottle bin. That's Babe over there. Alright. There goes Papa.
Que je t'ai dit avec eux, ça va? Électrocution.
Okay, he's here telling me about what he
And
learned at school
he
today.
told me that one
Saw
day there was somebody, there was a phone charging, and the man was going to, or the person was going to go in the bath. And there was a tablet that fell, and after when he put the water after she dead, it died.
So you need not to do what?
To put electricity things in the bathroom.
Right.
Because we
and
can't.
not just in the bathroom, but in the water.
Yes. Because we can't mix both of them.
Exactly, you can't mix what and what.
The electricity and water.
Very good. Very good. So you learn a lot from the firefighter. What else did he teach you?
And bee brûlade.
Okay, what is that?
He told me that we're not supposed to play in the kitchen.
Exactly. No, you know why Mama always telling you no playing you and your sister in the kitchen.
Okay.
No, you understand why?
Yes, brûlade like when I touched the stove.
Exactly. That's very, very dangerous. Especially if the surface in the kitchen is hot, but you can't see that it's hot. And you touch it. What else did you learn from the firefighter?
Wait, I'm thinking. I think I don't remember the other letters.
Where's your bag, Tyler?
Oh, il est, je sais pas.
Ever since he got home, he can't stop talking. What am I gonna do with this little parrot? Bye, God. Say hello to the faves. Tyler, Mama get injection today. You can't jump on my left hand.
This one?
No, this one over here, and Papa too. So you can't
So I
touch
can
Mama
touch
on the
this
left, and
one?
you can't touch Papa on the left.
Okay. I thought can't touch Papa on the right.
No, on the left. So
I
you can't command me any at all. Because I only have one side. Yeah, come for this boy now, please. Please come for him. You're too funny.
Maman,
Yes, Ty.
c'est ça le petit quotidien. This is petit quotidien.
That's what you're gonna read.
Yes.
Okay, you got homework.
Yes.
What you got for homework?
I got oh, I haven't used this one at school.
What you got for homework?
I got to learn decomposition. I also need to put tenue de sport.
You need to put what?
Tenue de sport.
Tenue de sport? C'est
Yes.
pas tenue de sport.
Maman, tu peux la dire.
Tenue de sport, manière sport. Il écrit tenue de sport.
Oh.
Une invitation. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Ah.
Une invitation encore. C'est pas qui?
C'est beau.
Why go? Why go? Right. Now.
And look at this one coming up on my side. Sarah, say hello to Faze. Say hello, Faze. Say hello, Faze. Who is this? Stella. She hang on to
Va
Stella.
mettre ça de mon côté de la...
Anyway, guys, I'm going to go and prepare some dinner for the family. I'm not gonna cook much today because I cooked yesterday and I have leftovers. So I probably just need to prepare protein,
We're on vacation.
and that's gonna be it for the day. My hand
Come,
hurting.
let's go on
Ow.
vacation.
Look at this hottie working out.
I was trying to do
Program, but it's not
I
programming.
don't know how to make it work.
I don't know how either, so I don't mess around the program. When you go on mode, it's not setting.
No, no more they asking me like, it's like if I program my targets.
Alright guys, well babe, they're working out. I'm working out on the stove. Alright, so dinner real quick tonight is just a little corned beef whipped up. I have macaroni and cheese. I have steamed veg. And I have rice. You see your face, boy, you have cookie. You better see that cookie and wish it well until the weekend. Get him, Sarah, get him. Get him, princess, get him. Whatever one do, the other one's following. They're too much, I can't. Movies I've ever watched. Run, Forrest, run!
Run.
You guys, I am tired. Giving you guys tired face and pain body.
She shouldn't eat chocolate, I tell her. Chocolates make you magnesium and give you energy. If you don't eat chocolate, you have no magnesium and you have no energy.
You say you tell me that I should eat chocolate or I shouldn't. Which one?
Should. Because
Why
there's
should-
magnesium in the chocolate. And you need magnesium.
But I eat chocolate, I just don't eat as much as you.
When you get chocolate today?
Yeah, I got one chocolate today. I had a bounty today. What? I had a bounty today.
Okay. She got a
Want me to
bounty
lie?
today. No, don't want you to lie.
When was the last time you had chocolate?
Not
Yesterday.
today. Yesterday, not today. That's for sure.
I did have chocolate yesterday. I had today. We even.
No, we're not.
Does this man love a chocolate? If you have chocolate in your house, hide it from baby if he's visiting. He can't avoid chocolate. His soul is made for chocolate. Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to end today's vlog. What do you have to say for yourself? What's the defense?
I'm not guilty, so I don't have any defense.
You're not guilty?
I'm not guilty.
Look, you're getting pink.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm not guilty, so I don't have no defense. Are you guilty? What's your defense?
Defense in what?
Yeah, why you took bounty today?
So I'm not supposed to?
Are you guilty?
Guilty of what?
Right, so you
I'm
should
not
just answer
guilty.
because I fell for
I'm
it.
not
Because
guilty. No, I didn't
because I
feel for
fell
it, you know.
for it.
You know what? I was packing away some chocolate and I saw, oh, my favorite chocolate is here. There's a few of
Just
them.
pop up by himself, he jump, and bounty.
I might just get up and eat one right now, but I'm not going to let you tempt me. I'm going to my bed. Anyway, you guys,
Caramel, bounty caramel.
my hand is in pain from the vaccine. And my entire being is in pain from working out because we just returned to working out. And it's rough. And I'm not sure I'm going to work out tomorrow morning, but we'll see.
Tomorrow will be a hard day.
Struggle. And tomorrow is my run day and abs day. Maybe I'll just wake up and do abs alone. I don't know how I'll be able to lift my hand, but I won't pressure it. Depends on how I feel in the morning.
Don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I wake up and I see how my arms feels.
And you'll decide if you go to work or not?
No, I go to work. But I decide what I'm gonna do in the work. I wish life is like this. Oh, I wake up in the morning and I say, should
I won't go to work today. I stay home.
If I start like this and never go to work every day, I say,
Anyway, you
did I win
guys.
lottery? No, I don't even play lottery. I should play lottery. Maybe luck will be with me. The God of luck. That's the God of 2022. God of luck. The God of money. What is this money? The God of money. The Chinese. Is a Chinese standard. They say God of money. The God of money.
I don't know such gods, so I'll just carry on grinding. Yeah.
Happy New Year's, guys. I hope you all has a blast during the end of the year celebration. We had to, but now it's back to reality. It's back to the court. It's back to the wake up early. It's back to real life. So if you like this video, give a
Thumbs up.
don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to turn on the notification bell to catch up, to keep up, and
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Pom pom.
Pom pom, what is that? What is that? What the hell was that? What was that? What was that?
I don't know why my finger came into the.
God of money, come for him, please.